Hello everyone, my name is Petro and in this video I'm going to be showing you a cordless LED light from PARKSIDE. This specific one I bought from Lidl. I paid £6.99 for it, but you should be able to buy it from other online retailers such as eBay or Amazon. But of course Lidl will have the advantage of selling it cheaper compared to any other retailer out there. So what I'm going to be doing first is show you the packaging and then of course show you how the product works. So this is my first time, so we're going to figure it out together. So let's get started. So this is the packaging that the cordless LED light comes. So let's see the information we have here. This specific one comes with 3 years warranty. And let's see the information imprinted here. So it has approximately 250 lumens. I believe the LM stands for lumens. And the battery lasts for about 2 hours and a half. And it uses a USB type C to be charged. And this is what the product looks like, but we should be open that in a second and find out. Now on the back, again here it says 2-in-1 LED light with powerful LEDs. You can zoom in and read the information if you wish. Hopefully the lighting is not reflecting too much. I'll try my best here. And that's it pretty much, that's all the information. Now you're going to need to use a knife or a scissor, something sharp. I would advise you to use a knife because it's more safe. So let's see, let's try and open that one. It takes a little bit of effort. So let's see. So the cable, the type C cable, zoom in, type C to a normal USB. I believe there's a guide there in between the cardboard packaging. The guide wasn't there. And also it comes with a barcode which you can scan to get the PDF online format if you wish. And that's it pretty much. So I showed you already the cable, and this is the actual LED light itself. Oh, I see. That was interesting. So before I open it, so this would be closed, and if you just push with your right hand, pull with your right hand, it will open, and is definitely really strong. I can tell you that. I don't know if the camera is able to pick this up, but it's definitely very strong. What I'm going to do is I'm going to point it towards the camera slowly, so please do bear that in mind. Not fully, but just so you can get an idea. It's definitely really strong. So you're getting a lot for what you're paying for. So let's just go around the product itself. I believe this one is where you would charge it. Yes, so this is where you would put the type C cable, and then you would charge it. Just close that. This I believe is, yeah. So you get one LED light, which is while you open this one. So this is the first LED light, and the second LED light is this one here, which has its own one option. I thought it was two, but there's one option. So you get one which is directional, like this one here, and the second one which is slightly bigger, that has a number of small LED lights. Let's see. This is what it looks like. I believe this is a magnet. Yes. So as you can see, the scissors stay there. So this is a magnet. You can put it on something magnetic, and of course there is the hook. Not hook, but you can use this part to hang it on a wall, hang it on a tool belt, or hang it somewhere at least. And that's it pretty much. The product is as simple as that. So this is a cordless LED light from PARKSIDE for $6.99. And you can have both of them, both the top one and the side one, open at the same time. And that's it pretty much, guys. It's as simple as that. Thank you for watching the video. Do press the like button, subscribe to the channel for more content, and until next time, stay safe and take care.